Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is an ultimate clean with me speed cleaning motivation video. As you can see, I'm starting my Wednesday morning off with some pancakes, bananas, Keisha Anderson, she's another awesome mommy entrepreneur YouTuber, and as well as a cup of coffee. So I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm having an amazing day as well. By the way, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I have some great words of encouragement for you today that'll help you put things into a different great perspective and give you a positive outlook. By the way, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you have been subscribed, thank you for staying loyal. Hit that like and also comment. The interaction is gladly appreciated and helps me out. Now let's get into this speed cleaning motivation. Stay with me. Finished cleaning up. I'm sitting here eating some Little Caesars from last night. Can you tell that it's leftovers? It's definitely leftovers, but it's still good. Excuse the guy in the background. He's cutting grass. I tried to wait for it till he was done, but he wasn't done, so I had to continue to film this video. So I want to come on here and encourage someone today, lift someone's spirit, help someone look at a situation from a different perspective. I feel like once you change your perspective and your mindset, you start to get in the groove of like, okay, it's working out. I'm gonna stand still. Okay, God got me, you know what I'm saying? I was sitting on my couch and I was like wondering like, dang, I'm still trying to understand standing still in trials and suffering. I'm still trying to understand trusting God's plan. I'm still trying to understand patience. I'm still trying to understand why certain things happen. Pastor at my church, prophet at my church, he was telling us how when you're going through something, it's a good thing to find yourself in the Bible, because 10 times out of 10, you're gonna find yourself in the Bible. I guarantee you, everything that you're going through today, someone went through in 2000, 1000, or whatever BC. You know what I'm saying? Somebody in the Bible has went through something that you went through already, y'all. Trust me, them people back in the Bible days used to go through it, y'all. Every time I read a story, I'm like, I'm crying over this, over that, and they had to deal with way worse stuff. They went through it back then, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was basically asking God, I was like, God, I need to find a story about patience. I need to find myself in the Bible. I'm waiting, I'm trying to hold on to God's unchanging hand, be faithful to him and waiting. But I found this story, it's about Job. And this story really stood out to me because Job didn't understand God's plan either. I don't have any specific verses for you today, I'm sorry, but I do have a great story and my great opinion on it. This is how the story went. Job was a really wealthy man. He had a beautiful family. He had everything he wanted. He was faithful to God. One day, the devil came up to God and said, hey, I guess he wanted to I guess Satan challenged God and said that if Job was to lose everything, like lose his wealth, lose his house, lose his family, he would curse God. That's pretty much what Satan told God. He challenged God. God was like, no, he's faithful. He was like, well, you know what? I'll let you test Job, but I won't let you kill him. So next you know, God allowed Job to be tested by Satan. God allowed Job to lose everything but his life. Job was going through it. Job did not understand why all this was happening. He was like, dang, I'm faithful to God. Like, why is this happening to me? Why am I losing everything? I just don't understand it. I just don't get it. Help me understand. Job's friends was like, trying to give him advice, like maybe you did something to lose everything, maybe you did some evil, that's why you lost everything. And Job's like, no, I'm pretty sure I have been faithful to God. I have avoided doing evil. It's like through that time he had to suffer, and he thought about being defiant, but he didn't. It was pretty much a test for Job. God eventually restored everything that Job lost, plus much more. I feel like we can all apply this to our lives. It's like sometimes we don't understand why bad things happen to good people. Like we just don't understand why we suffer when we're good people. We do what we're supposed to do. We are faithful to God. Sometimes we just don't understand. And sometimes God just wants to teach us things. He wants to show us his love and his forgiveness. He wants to show us his power, fill us up and show us how good he is and how we need him. And it's like, that's why it's just good to be still and trust him and trust his plan. In suffering, in trials, trust God's plan. Do what you can. Just know that everything will work together for your good. Job suffered horrible, very horrible. Lost his family, lost his wealth, but he did not lose his faith in God. And God rewarded him and restored everything plus more that he lost. So I want to encourage you guys to just keep the faith, trust God's plan, and know that in your suffering there is a lesson and there is a testimony that's being created. Just trust him. But yeah, anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support on this channel. I would love if you would share my content with your friends and your family. Like this video, comment, interact with me. It helps me. I appreciate it. Okay guys, so subscriber of the day, comment of the day goes to Also Mahi. Y'all go check out her channel. Her house is so nice and she keeps it so clean, and her cleaning videos are so motivating and just satisfying. Her comment said, Ashley, I'm just in love with your words of engagement. When I tell you I needed to hear this, I see so much greatness in you. So happy I found your channel. So happy to be a part of your YouTube family. What stood out to me about this comment is that she said that she's seen greatness in me, which really encouraged me because I'm like, wow, people see something in me that I've seen in myself, but that I'm still trying to pull out of myself. But it's like people are actually seeing. I don't know. That comment really made me smile because I see greatness in myself, and I know that we all have some greatness in us, but it feels good when someone else that doesn't even know you tells you that they see greatness in you. But anyways, yeah, I appreciate you, girl. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel. I'm done rambling. Peace.